So now we are going to look at the class definition for sorted set. In the files you have, you will see sorted set 1 and sorted set 2. Sorted set is incomplete. Okay, it's a good starting point, but it is incomplete. So if you open it, it doesn't do all the things it's supposed to do, but it's a good starting point. Let me start. Class sorted set, it is a child of the list class. Okay, list class is a Python inbuilt class, so we don't need to specify many things. We are just inheriting from the list class. The instantiator or the constructor can take some initial list you give it. If you don't give it anything, it will be assumed to be non-object. In other words, what this means is when I run it, I say A equals sorted set. I give it no parameter. How does A look like? A is the empty list. If I give B equals sorted set, I give it a list which is already sorted. Say for example 2, 5, 8. I give it this list and look at B. That gives me B is now 2, 5, 8. So I have given it sorted. See, ideally you want duplicates to be removed and the initial list to be changed. In other words, for example, if I give it B equals sorted set, a list, say 3, 1, 5, 4, and I repeat 1 and a 3. Okay, this is neither sorted nor a set, you understand, because in a set you shouldn't have elements repeated. If I write this and now look at B, look, it did not fix it. It did not give me a sorted set. So that's what I mean when I say sorted set is incomplete. Instead, if you start with sorted set 1 and run this guy, all right, now let me try B to be sorted set, the same list. Okay, the file sorted set 1 also is creating a child sorted set of the class list. Okay, so the name convention is the same. Now if you play with this, look at B. It is sorted and a set. 3 is not repeated, 1 is not repeated. You have 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so sorted set 1 is simply a completion of sorted set. All right, so let's go through one small file at a time. What is sorted set? It is a class child of list. The instantiator, you want to start off giving it an option of an initial. If nothing is given, you are essentially feeding it none object. Okay, so what will it create? It will create a list. Okay, it's using the instantiator of the list class. If nothing is given, that's why you get an empty list. If something is given, you are going to extend your sorted set object with whatever you give. Now notice extend is not defined here, whereas extend is defined here. All right, extend is defined in the second file, and that's why you have the behavior you have. Okay, so the point is, now let's go back to sorted set. Given any value, you want to find the index after that value. Look at this function. You want to update insert. Look at this function. You understand, list has an insert by itself, but mind you, you don't want the user to insert a value at the wrong place, because you are going to be sorted. So you have to change your insert function or insert method. Likewise, append of the list has to be improved. So what are we doing here? This approach is called specialization. All right, specialization. How are we specializing? We are overriding the methods from your parent class. All right, so in our next video I will continue with sorted set 1, and we will see each one of these new updated methods. Until then, bye.